Good morning, students. I, Professor Rajeshwari Sharma, welcome back to the e-learning session of GS College of Commerce, Vaidha. So, in last lecture, we have seen the first chapter, Business Economics, under our first unit, that is Nature and Scope of Business Economics. Today, we will be starting our second chapter under the first unit, that is Social Responsibility of Business. So in this chapter, we are going to see the concept of social responsibility of business, the definition of social responsibility of the business, the needs and objectives of social responsibility, and the areas of social responsibility. And these areas are also referred as the dimensions of social responsibility of business or the social responsibility of business towards different stakeholders. So let's start with the concept of social responsibility of business. See, whenever we talk of business, so the concept of business that comes to our mind is the business is an economic institution established with the aim of earning profit. Right? This is what the definition of business for all of us. But then the next question that arises to our mind is what's the concept of social responsibility and why the business needs to follow it when it is an economic institution established with the aim of earning profit. So the answer to this question is that the concept of social responsibility of business has been introduced in order to integrate the economic welfare with the social welfare. See, if there is going to be only economic welfare, so there can be the growth of nation. But without social welfare, the development of nation is not possible. Take an example. If the GDP of country is increasing, does it mean that the standard of living of the people in the country is increasing? No, it doesn't mean that the standard of living of people in the country is increasing, because it's a part of social development. So in order to bring social development, social welfare along with the economic welfare, the concept of social responsibility of business has been introduced. See, business and the society are the two different terms, but the business and the society are mutually dependent. No business can run or exist without society. Now we'll see how the society is dependent on the business. When we talk of the business, so business provides the various economic values to the society by generating employment, by providing goods and services for improving standard of living, etc. So this way the society is dependent on business. And when we talk of business and we see how business is dependent on society, so business requires the various inputs like men, materials, skill for the production process, and all this input is acquired by the business from the society. So business is dependent on the society for the various inputs, and the most importantly, the society provides a platform, a market for the product and the services of the business. So that they can be sold in the market and profit can be earned by the business. Just assume if there is no demand, there is no market for the product or the commodities or the services which is offered by business. So will business be able to sell it? Will business be able to make profit? Of course not. Therefore, society also plays very crucial role for the business, and the existence, survival, sustenance of business is not possible without society. If the need for the business by the society stops, then the existence of business will also be stopped. So this is how the business is dependent on the society. Now, when the society is giving this much thanks to business, so definitely it expects something in return from the business for the welfare of society. And this is how the concept of social responsibility of business comes into the picture. Understand the concept of social responsibility of business. Now we will see the definition of social responsibility of business, which is given by George A. Steiner. So he says, in real sense, the assumption of social responsibility implies recognition and understanding, aspirations of society, and determination to contribute to its achievement. So here it has been stated that this definition says that the social responsibility of concept of social responsibility of business comes when the business starts recognizing and understanding the aspirations of society. Means when business starts understanding what society expects from them and determined to contribute to its achievement. When business starts making initiative, starts taking efforts for contributing something to the growth and the development of the society, then the concept of social responsibility of business comes into the picture. Now we will see the need and the importance of social responsibility of business. Why there is need to follow social responsibility of business? How it is beneficial for the business as well as the society? We'll see this. So first point is to develop goodwill of company. What's goodwill? Goodwill is the reputation or image of a company in the market. For example, taking an example of the daily life. If you want to buy the grocery, so from where will you buy? The shop from where you are buying from the long time, or the shop which has been newly established. Of course, you will prefer to buy from this shop from where you are buying from the long time. Why? Because you believe their services, you believe their product. That is why you will buy from the shop that is from where you are buying from the long time. So that is the concept of goodwill. It means the reputation and the image of the company or a business in the market. So when the business follows the social responsibilities towards different stakeholders, so it creates the goodwill of a company in the market. So the following of social responsibilities helps company to develop goodwill in the market. The second one is to fulfill the expectation of society. While discussing the concept of social responsibility of business, we have seen that the existence, survival, and the sustenance of business is not possible without society. The society gives so many things to the business, and in return it expects something from the business. So when the business fulfills its social responsibility towards the different stakeholders in the society, it fulfills the expectation of the society, so it helps the business to create its good image. So this way it helps the business. Then third one is to increase investors. See, if I'll ask you a question that there are two companies, company A and company B. Company A is following its all responsibility properly, means it's providing the product at the reasonable prices, it's creating the employment, it's paying all its taxes and dues properly, and it has a very good name in the market. And on the other hand, there is company B, which is involved in the activities like the black marketing, hoarding, or which is charged with the cases of the fraud or the misleading advertisement. And now you have the money to invest. In which company you are going to invest? What will be your decision? Surely your decision will be to invest in company A because it has good name and fame in the market. In the same way, when the company or the business fulfill its social responsibility towards different stakeholders, so it helps to create the good image in the market, a good identity in the market, which attracts the investor. So in this way, social responsibility of business helps business to increase its investors. The next one is to strengthen the customer base. See, when you are following all the social responsibility of business, so it creates your good image in the market, your good name in the market, and of course the customer prefers to use the products of those companies or those businesses which has good name and fame in the market. So when your company is going to have good image, you are following all the social responsibility towards different stakeholders, so it will also strengthen your customer base and increase your market share. The fifth one is to increase business profits. See, how it will increase the business profit. when you are following all the social responsibility, so you are having the good investment in your business, your investors are trusting you, you are having the good customer base, you are having the motivated employees who are working for the growth and development of the company. So all the resources that you are employing in business is being efficiently utilized, is being effectively utilized. Smooth functioning of your business is ensured. So this way it will help your business to increase the profit and growth. So this way it will help the business to increase the profits. The next point is to comply with the government legislation. See, there are various acts and laws which are formulated by government for the welfare of the society as well as the businesses as well. Like we have the Companies Act, like we have the Contract Act, Consumer Act, Sales of Goods Act, etc. So when we talk of the social responsibility of the business towards different stakeholders, so government is also one of the stakeholders. So to comply with the government legislations creates the good image of a company in the market, which again helps them to make a separate identity and to have the good market share. Then to make optimum use of scarce resources. See, when your business is quite efficient, you are following your responsibility towards all stakeholders and they are satisfied with your business. Your employees are well motivated to perform their jobs in very efficient manner. So they will surely be making the optimum utilization of the resources which are available under the business. So this way there will be the optimum utilization of the scarce resources of the economy and the wastage of resources will be stopped, which will help to minimize the cost of business as well as ensure the optimum utilization of scarce resource of the economy. So following social responsibility helps to make optimum use of scarce resources. And the last point under the need is to safeguard the environment. See, when we are talking about the environment, so business also has certain responsibilities towards environment, like to follow the Environmental Protection Act, to avoid engaging in all those activities that harms the environment, to promote the awareness regarding the protection of environment among the people. So it has all those responsibilities towards the environment. So when the social responsibility of business is followed by the business, so it helps to safeguard the environment, which ensures the availability of the resources for the present as well as future generation, and also ensures the safeguarding environment by the business. So this way the social responsibility of business helps the business to grow and the prosper in the society. So thank you. In today's lecture we have seen that. In our next lecture we will be seeing the areas of social responsibility or the dimensions of social responsibility. Till then, stay safe, keep studying. Thank you.